So my name is Ishaan Jain. I'm from India and I'm currently 18 years old. So my e-commerce journey before starting with Andy, it was, I would say, very unorganized, and I lacked the necessary motivation. That is what Andy's course provides. It provides you a blueprint, but you get the motivation to work hard, to work the long hours, because you know that if you work hard, you'll succeed eventually. Before working with Andy, yeah, I just did not know the right and exact steps to follow and when to do it. Like, I knew the basic idea of drop shipping, but there are a lot of steps and you have to follow it in a certain way. Andy himself, he provides you with all the correct steps at the right time, and what to do at the right time and when to transition from H to B. I booked a discovery call, and from there I got to know about his entire journey. I watched his webinar and I could see that he wasn't like any other guru. Like, he wasn't trying to scam you. It was a very genuine journey and he put everything out there. He provided genuine value. That is a very good thing, because 99% of the people out there, they're trying to scam you right now. But he provided genuine value to me. That is why I chose it. The best thing is the mindset module. It is the first module and it is the best because it provides you the necessary motivation in your mind that you can do it. That you have to do it, that it is possible. Like, dropshipping is not just a fairy tale, it is possible. And if you have the necessary motivation, you can fulfill your dreams. My e-commerce journey right now would be excited for the future, because Andy has provided me the necessary blueprint to scale to the moon. You know, right now I've just hit, I'm about to hit $10,000 in my first month dropshipping. And that seemed like a dream to me before I joined the course. The biggest thing would be the mastermind call and what advice that he gives. Like, right now I'm doing eBay dropshipping. From eBay to Shopify, it is very different. So he provides you all the necessary steps that you need to follow for all the different models of dropshipping. Going through the program, it took me about 10 days to get my first sale. And it took me about 20 days to start getting consistent sales, following the mindset and the product research module and everything else. If you have a passion but you don't know what to do, or you lack the necessary motivation but you think that you can do it, then join Andy's course, because he will provide you the necessary blueprint. He will go with you through the journey, hands in hands, and he will just make sure that you reach your goal. My main concern was the money, because a lot of the gurus out there, they're trying to scam you, and they just put old YouTube videos in their courses and they sell it for $500, $800, $10,000. But Andy, he provided genuine value which you won't find anywhere else. It's just the most genuine program out there, because you will be able to interact with him each and every day. We have something called the mastermind calls. So he interacts with you and clears all your doubts in the mastermind calls and on one-on-one calls as well. So that is what is extremely different, because a lot of the gurus, they'll just create a course and they'll just sell it and you won't be able to connect with them. But you can build a genuine connection with Andy. Andy just keeps on improving and adding new things. So it's not like you'll just stay idle in one business model. You'll constantly learn new things. He constantly adds new videos. So that is one thing which separates him from everyone else out there. Thank you.